Today on the bench we have a Pioneer PD-F607 file type compact disc player. So this one is a file type CD mechanism, means you can put 25 CDs in a row and it can play all 25 CDs as a random or one by one by your selection. So it's very easy mechanism. You just lift this one and place the CDs inside, and there you go. So the other features of this, this is basically is from 1997. Total weight of this is 5 kilos, and it has a 1-bit DLC DAC converter, digital to analog converter, which is by the Pioneer, and dynamic range is 96 decibels for this particular model. And it has a CD text feature also, so on the display you see if the track has a, which is very common now, but we are talking about 1997, so this is one of the features they have used it. So this button is just let me turn it on. Display is LCD. It's not as bright as a fluorescent, so it's just a basic display. This is a disc plus and minus. You can select also, and also you can select the previous one. It's a random and repeat feature. It is a program, highlight, and different mode, and clear also. And this enable you to do the title display of the CD. Play button, big one, pause and stop, fast forward, reverse in the next track, and you have the headphone also with the volume control. So, and on the back side I will show you later on also. On the back side it has analog and optical digital output, so that's how it is. Let's see to feed some CDs and see how it works. We're gonna be playing with our Technics amplifier, the sound output. So you just put like that, and then on the number 2 Tina Turner can go, and number 3 we can put BBC music. Make sure that they are facing towards the left side, because over there is the 4, and the Enigma I can put just 5 CDs. That's okay. We turn on the amplifier also, and then you just close it, and after closing you just play it. This is the CD1. This is disc number 2. It's selected and start playing it. And the disc number 3. The display is not very bright, and this is the afternoon, and it's hard to see the display, but it shows the disc number, and the CD number 3 is chosen and is playing. And we go CD number 4. So basically the optical system is going across the file system and choosing the CD which you are choosing. And CD number 5, you can place 25. So somebody like me, a lazy, feed the 25 CDs and off you go, listen for rest of your life. That's the joke. And this is the second track.
The first is the former.
Here we go to the disc number 1. And the second click, and third one. I'm sure you would like to see inside how that system works, right? Okay, just stay tuned. Let me open it up. We stop it and we power off and power off amplifier also. All right, I open the cover and you may see this is the file system of the CD tray where you feed the 25 CDs, and this is the CD mechanism, and it drive on this shaft. You see this is steel shaft, so when you are choosing a CD number, then this mechanism is moving across that particular CD, going further, picking up the CD and reading it. And when you choose a different one, then it's putting it back and then going to that number, that sequence, and taking that CD and playing it. So this whole mechanism is moving from here till here to pick from CD number 1 to 25. So if you do random play, then it will take a random CDs. If you play one by one, then it start from there and go till the end. And when you choose by yourself, then it can also do it like that. Circuitry, very basic one, not very impressive. You have a power supply over there, and I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I can lift it up. So you have optical output and the analog output, only 2 options. And this ribbon is connected to the CD tray, the mechanism. This is a, as I mentioned, small power supply over there, and it's a rectifier circuit here, and this is the green one is the front panel. So display is also there, and all the connections from the front panel is also there, and the preamp is here, and also you see 2 chips which are converting digital signal into analog and feeding back to the analog feed to the amplifier. So yeah, circuit is nothing very special, only this is a unique way of selecting the CDs. So maybe we can play it so you can see how it works. Is it on? So it's on now, and if you let me see where is play. You see it takes CD1 and now it's playing. For example, if I change the CD, let's choose the Enigma, which is CD number 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see it put it back, and then it moved in front of 5. He took the Enigma CD and now it's playing. Second take.
The first is the fall.
And if I want to ask him go back to the CD number 1, so it's now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it will go back and take the first CD again, load it and play. Same CD. Next track goes back. I stop it, and let's choose CD number 3. So 1, 2, 3. It will put it back, move 2 steps further and take the CD number 3 and start playing it. It's a classical music. Maybe I have to put sound a little bit up. And you go second track, then it starts playing second track. But if you want to go CD number 2, just press 1 back, put it back. This was number 3. Now it go back a little bit, take number 2 and play Miss Tina Turner, for example, and it will go back now and play CD number 1. So I change the track. Other track. Interesting feature. And that wasn't very expensive either when they launched. They could have invested a little bit more on the circuitry and using the Philips TDA chips, maybe DA converters, DEC chips, and maybe they could have choose better rectifier circuit, so it could have improved sound quality a lot. But it's a basic CD player, not bad sound. We stop it now. When you stop, it's keep on rolling the disc. And then putting it back and then power out. I hope you like this particular video about this Pioneer file system CD player. Thank you for watching.